stand on stuff.
You don't have to stand on it. Kneel.
Let's stand up with him.
That's all right. No, you stay away from him. If he falls, he's going to kick you out. Keep back here, Oliver.
Ollie, back here. Uncle Joey's trying to kill a spider.
God, Joe. What you have to do is you have to work up a ladder someday.
Joe.
It's ripped. It's right there.
Remove this knife on the sink in case I go in.
Back here, Oliver.
Jump it.
Maybe just meet the thermometer that's pointing upwards towards my eyeball.
Yeah, that would.
Well, the spider's up, Joe. It's not down.
Yeah, but my face is pointing down.
It'll crush him.
That's the light.
I'm trying to wash my own gluteus maximus.
Before it crawls on you.
Yeah, Joe. Don't step in the sink. You can't step in the sink. You go right through it.
Go right to this counter.
You wanna go through the counter.
Do you see the spider yet?
You wanna go through the sink.
Go. Does it look like a spider? I see
It
something in
is.
this corner.
Yes, and that would be a spider.
Ah!
There you go.
I got him. I had to double tap
Get
it.
down without killing yourself.
I make no promises.
Oliver, get back.
Back, Ollie.
She said, oh, Luke was bad on ladders. I would be too.
What, me?
I'm not scared of spiders, are you, Oliver?
Is it funny?
Are you done?
It's going to be on YouTube in a minute.
Oh, yep.